Imagine this, you're in the exam hall staring at the paper, you know you studied this, but suddenly it's gone. Your brain is blank, your heart races, and you try to recall, but the more you think, the more worse it gets. And then time's up. I felt that frustration. You studied for weeks, but then mattered the most your brain betrayed you. Let me tell you something crazy. It's not your fault. It's not because you didn't study hard enough. It's not because no one taught you. It's because no one taught you how to study the right way. Today, I'm going to expose the 5 biggest reasons why students forget everything before exams, and the exact method toppers use to memorize better without studying harder. And stick around till the end because I'm going to give you a free guide for you so you can start studying using techniques immediately. Why do students forget? Most students believe memory is about effort. It's actually about technique. Your brain isn't designed to store random facts. It's designed for patterns and connections. That's why you remember movie plots, songs, or funny moments with friends. But forget history dates or math formulas. The key is remembering everything. Studying the way your brain actually learns. These are the 5 reasons you forget. Lack of revision and repetition. Your brain forgets most of what you study within 24 hours. Without repeating exposure, your brain fades up fast. Here's the fix. Use spaced repetition. Revise topics in short sessions over multiple days instead of cramming. Passive learning. Read and highlight. Feel productive, but don't build memory. Have you ever read a page and realized you don't remember a single word? That's because your brain wasn't engaged. Here's your fix. Use active recall. Close your book and try to explain what you just learned. Information overload. If you try to study 3 chapters in one night, your brain can't absorb it at all. The more you cram, the more your brain deletes unnecessary data. Here's your fix. Break your study sessions into smaller chunks and focus on one key idea at one time. Interference. Have you ever learned two similar topics and then mixed them up? That's called interference. When two information erases the old knowledge. Here's your fix. Mix up subjects when you study instead of focusing on one topic for too long. Encoding failures. If you don't understand something, your brain won't store it in the long memory. Here's your fix. Use storytelling, diagrams, and mind maps to create strong memory connections. Here's a memory hack. This is your secret. Toppers don't memorize harder, they memorize smarter. They use spaced repetition instead of last minute cramming. They use active recall instead of just reading the notes. They make information meaningful so it sticks in the long memory. When you study the right way, you don't just pass the exams and remember what you learn for life. Look, if you keep using the wrong study methods, you'll keep struggling. But if you start using the right technique, study will become effortless. I don't want you to figure this out all alone. I've created a free guide that will help you step by step. Memorize 10x faster, retain more in less time, study smarter, not harder. Grab it now in the description and start seeing the results. And if you want daily study hacks and support your community, join my Facebook group where I share exclusive memory hacks. The link is in the description. See you inside.